All right? Do you know the play, The Sound of Music? Oh, she's too young. Okay. Okay, nothing. You are going to answer back according to what I say. Right? Okay? So you listen to what I say and you answer back. Right? Yeah. Susan, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. What were you doing outside with that boy in the street?
Just talking.
Oh, don't lie to your mother. Don't lie to your mother. I know you. You were not talking. You were embracing the boy.
Probably.
Probably. You are only 16. See, I'm going to tell your father. I tell him, I'm tired.
So what?
What?
Yes. What?
You are so ill-mannered. So ill-mannered. This is incredible. And you are also smiling and laughing. It's happy for me. Now you go to your room. And tomorrow we're going to speak with your father, all right?
Yeah, whatever.